Hi there, this is Felix from Voliro, and I'm super excited today to show you our new repeatability feature, which is a game changer for the industry. So why does repeatability matter? In a nutshell, it enables you to return to the exact same inspection locations you've previously inspected and allows to compare inspections over time. This is especially valuable for condition monitoring, data trending, and follow-up inspections. The Voliro team precisely guides the operator in the Voliro app to the past inspection points using augmented reality. The augmented reality consists of two key elements. One is used for aligning the location. The second one is to align the orientation of the drone with the surface. For this tutorial, we're looking at a stack inspection on a refinery. The initial mission has been done as usual, including the export of the mission and the reporting. Now our great pilot Marcus is back on the refinery, and we will follow him along how he's repeating this exact same mission 1 year later. Marcus is now selecting the desired mission in the Mission Explorer and opens that mission. Click on the repeat button in the top right corner in order to repeat the mission. In order to enable the augmented reality guidance for Marcus, he first has to anchor or set an anchor in order to compensate for any GPS position offset. This is done by going manually back to any of the previously inspected points and saving a measurement there. However, for this part, Marcus does not have any AR guidance, but can only rely on the visual image which is seen on the left side of the pilot view as for guidance. So we recommend using a distinct point which is easy recognizable and easy to hit, because the more accurate you hit that point, the higher accuracy your overall mission will have. So let's take a look what Marcus is doing. He's first of all selecting a distinct point in the mission plan to make sure the right location is selected. And now also you can click on the image to enlarge it. Click on the anchor symbol because you're about to set the anchor, and then go close. Once you're in contact, save a measurement, and your anchor is set and your augmented reality guidance is unlocked. You can now already see how the Marcus is guided with that orange arrow pointing upwards, and a distance estimate which gets smaller and smaller while he approaches this location. Marcus will now continue and finish the inspection by using the guidance and taking a measurement at each inspection location from the previous mission. Once he's finished, he will then export the mission and does the reporting as usual. This is it in terms of the repeatability feature. I really encourage you to try it out. The augmented reality guidance will blow you away, I'm sure of it. And the guidance actually also works already in the initial mission you're capturing if you're going back to a previously inspected location. Let's say you're taking 20 measurements, you land, you're noticing, okay, I actually want to repeat measurement number 2, and then the drone will automatically guide you to this point. So let's take a look at some of the limitations as well as best practices in the field. There's mainly 3 things to keep in mind. First of all, the augmented reality guidance only works if the drone has a GPS RTK fix. If there's no GPS RTK fix available, you can only rely on the visual image as reference. Second, make sure to set an accurate anchor point. Therefore, we recommend using distinct points on the asset to do so. For example, you can use this Voliro sticker, put it onto the asset, and then make sure to hit the exact spot. Third, this feature is available with the firmware version 25.11, and it is only compatible also with missions which were initially captured with firmware version 25.11 or higher. For more information on the repeatability feature, please take a look at our knowledge base. We have a great article there, or reach out to us, the customer success team. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.